Welcome everyone to the channel Test It Now Friends. I'm Joey Gomez, and on this channel we test products that support children in the general education and special education environment. If you'd like a faster description or a faster review, go to the description section below and click on the link that best fits your need. While there, click the like and subscribe button. On today's video, we're going to be testing 7 essential Google Meets Chrome extensions. And with that, let's test it. The 7 Chrome extensions include Nod, Google Meet Push to Talk, Meet Attendance, Google Meet Grid View, Dualless, Web Paint, and Tactic Pins. Do you want your attendees to engage? Nod has a number of emojis and reaction tools to increase engagement. Do you want to stop clicking the unmute button every time you want to talk? Google Meet Push to Talk changes your spacebar into a talk button. Tired of writing down everyone's name on the Google Meet? Meet Attendance allows you the option of creating a Google Sheet to record every attendee's name in an organized column. Want to see everyone on the screen? Google Meet Grid View gives you the option to split up the different participants on your screen. Want to have a different window for separate tasks? Dualless will separate the windows in an organized fashion that you choose. Want to annotate, draw, or even write on the screen? Web Paint has you covered, with a number of annotation tools like lines, text, and even shapes. Are you exhausted from taking notes during a meet? Tactic will keep track of all the captions in the meeting, and you can save them to a Google Doc. Thanks again guys for watching today. If you didn't know, I have a Facebook page, and if you'd like, you can follow along. That way you get the most up-to-date information on Test It Now Friends. Also, if you go to the Facebook page, I would love to give you a copy of the Google Breakout Sessions slide. If you would like, I have a video on Google Classroom right here. And with that, we just tested it.